Hey guys, just a quick video really to just show you how I think I wanted to work and have a look feel. This is the main layout of how the website's going to look. Each part has its numbers and I'll be going through them in a second what they are. They're predominantly the amount of pages that will be on the website. This is just a basic layout realistically. This is where the animated green background for the front header will be. There's also a footer part which I want to pick up later on. This is the main body of the area itself. You've got these various pages, so I'll go through each one of those with you. This is obviously the main page. This is what they will be landing on as soon as they go onto the website itself, Solar PV. On this area, when they land on that page, we'll have alternating images and text messages, and I'll go through what those messages and what I want them to be in this area here. You've also got what is Solar PV. That's going to be the second page, benefits page, the feed-in tariff page, next steps, FAQ, and a callback. This area here is going to be left for email opt-in. This three boxes, 7, 8, and 9, will be static throughout the website. That will always remain there. Pretty self-explanatory. Number 8 is FAQ. They link onto it, goes to a different page, talks about all the FAQ and alternating messages. This is like contextual add text messages, which they kind of rotate around. And I'll go through which of those in later stages about what these actually mean and what messages I want to see on there. On the top, this also stays the same as well. You've got about us, case studies, press, blog, and contact us. They'll predominantly stay the same as these pages go on, etc. So going on from that, we will go on to the next area. So if you can see this, each area is numbered. So the number itself, it carries on from the original page, which is this. So if you got number 1, you're looking at number 1 here. These are the slides which are number 1 to 6, and each slide obviously is going to be different. Each slide is going to have different types of various text messages that's going to go onto itself. I'll go through and I'll show you an option of what we're looking at, what I found was quite good, and it's actually on this website here. I'll go to that in a second. So number 1, etc., further text explaining what it is, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, etc. That's predominantly how it's going to look for those pages itself. Going on from there as well, you've got page 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again, that is the same as this, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Obviously you've got your enter your email area, which is number 7, which is highlighted here. Number 8 is the question area, and number 9 is pretty much the contextual pages that we said we're going to go through, which was this area here, 1A, 2B, 3C, and 4D. What that looks like is pretty much like this, here, 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 and here. So capturing sums, etc., etc. We'll go through that later on. Pretty much that's what that part is for the alternating messages. Here is a sitemap of what it looks like. This is page 4, by the way, home page, about us, and how they're kind of just very, very basic links in between the pages itself. Right, so let's go on to this website. I found good energy purpose. This one here. So it's again another energy company. I really like this layout. I think it's really strong. I like this area here for where you can click on the company and about us, maybe even a video that I can click on here. I like the sharing aspect of things, very much into the social aspect. I like how this is laid out, the text itself, the coloring, the background, very good. The reason why I wanted to pick up on this for all the stages, pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the area that this oscillating text message is going to be. So if you look at this area here, I kind of want this kind of format into this area here. The reason why I chose this is because it's very clear, and there's more information that you can get from it as well. So let's say obviously this the information on this website is a bit irrelevant even. However, I like the way it's been laid out. So if we click onto here, it'll take us to the next slide, so to speak. As you can see, the background kind of shifts. I'm not really too fussed about the animation. If it's something that we can do for very, very cheap, then yeah, cool, let's go ahead and do it. But I like the way it looks. Maybe use a bit of green there, I would say. Again, very big bold letters, etc. on how the message is conveyed. We've got from brown to green, so again, it goes to the second area where it talks about, say, whatever, and how many people have solar power in their house, etc., how it benefits them. I like the way that the journey moves ahead. It shows different aspects, different parts of conveying information itself. I think there may be audio on this, I'm not too sure, but I don't want to turn it on. We may or may not use the audio, we will have to see in a later stage. And then going on, it just adds more and more information. I like how these things pop up, I like how it's been represented. It's very good. And then, oops, go back here, sorry, I'll go back to a better solution. And then again, it goes to more information, more areas, what you can do, etc. And I like the way this bit is done as well. I think this is really good. I like the social aspect where you can obviously click on to Twitter or Facebook. The use energy grid is good. These two aspects whereby you make a decision, or you kind of force the user into choosing something, and obviously it links on to various areas itself. Again, you link onto this, it just goes to another part of the website, which I think is really good. I think it'd be a good idea if we could use that on this. I don't know how we're going to incorporate it, but if we use this much of the space on the website for this type of movement here, this area here where it's kind of going back and forth, I think that'd be good. And then for the later parts, or the pages which go further down, if the user wanted to have more information as such as this, they can actually kind of scroll down and they have action to this. I like the way this page is kind of laid out. It's quite good. It's very clear, it's clean. It's got some of the social aspects in the very good areas as well. I think that's very good. Probably won't be using I would say the search engine much in this aspect. However, I like the way this is done. It's a good website. It works quite well, and it's clearly presented as well, and different aspects of it. Obviously, we want to introduce a few other things as well. It's going to be mainly video and audio stuff as well, which we'll probably come to at a later stage when we get the chance. That's pretty much it realistically from me. I mean, if you got any questions, just pop me an email or give me a call. Any one of those do. If you want, I'll come down and meet you guys and see what we can do from there. Alrighty, thanks a lot. Thank you very much.